thank you for your interest in Cooking with Purpose. We're super excited to launch this semester's series, and we've chosen all new recipes this semester. So if you've participated in the past, it will be all different. My name is Carla Ramsdell. I work in the Department of Physics and Astronomy, and the series is sponsored by the Office of Sustainability, Off-Campus Student Services, the College of Arts and Sciences, and also Campus Dining. If you haven't been part of the series before, it's a 4-part online cooking series where we literally cook together and have a whole bunch of fun. The goal of this program is to cook simple, delicious recipes that integrate environmental sustainability, low cost, high nutrition, low packaging. So we offer a whole bunch of tips and tricks. If you haven't already, please complete the sign-in form with this QR code, and that will give you access to the Zoom link as well as all the ingredients and recipes. It'll be in an As You Learn project page. And this semester, thanks to the support from the Climate Literacy QEP, or Quality Enhancement Plan, the first 25 participants to attend 2 sessions and cook with us will receive a prize. And at the end of the 4-session series, we'll do a grand prize drawing for 2 Instant Pots. The more sessions you join and cook with us for, the greater your chances to win. Our first session is going to be this Wednesday, January 29th. Again, it's 5:30 on Zoom. So you're in your kitchen and I'll come to you from this kitchen, and our other chefs will be coming from their own kitchens. This week, our menu will be a 1-pot, really delicious beans and rice, also a Shiraza salad, and I'll be demonstrating how to make pickled okra, which is really inexpensive with no single-use packaging. You won't be cooking that. I'll just do a quick demo about that and the sustainability of such things. And then also we'll end with like a breakfast cookie, which also could be a granola bar. So you need to procure the ingredients. You have some options there. You can buy them at the grocery store. The ingredient list is already available on the As You Learn project site. Or this semester, we're really excited to be launching this partnership with Campus Dining to make the procurement of the ingredients really simple. All you have to do is fill out this QR code and then visit Central Dining anytime between Monday afternoon and Wednesday afternoon to pay for your ingredient bag. Think of it kind of like a blue apron. You'll get everything in that bag you need, including like spices. The only things we won't be including in the bags are oil, salt and pepper, and butter. You have some options to pay for that. If you're part of the meal plan, you can just use one meal swipe. If you're not part of the meal plan, you can just pay with a credit card. And if you need financial assistance in procuring those ingredients, you can visit the Office of Sustainability. They have a limited number of vouchers for students that need that assistance. Once you have the voucher, then you can go to Campus Dining and pick up your bag. I think that's about all. If you have any questions at all, feel free to reach out to me, and also spread the word. Tell other people about it. This is open to any students on campus as well as faculty and staff. And I hope to see you on Wednesday on Zoom. Thanks so much.